Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Pythagoras theorem to calculate the hypotenuse, the longest side of a right angled triangle. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial we will be using pen, paper to explain the theorem itself and how it can be implemented. So Pythagoras theorem. Let's bring the ruler into the frame and draw out the triangle on screen. And so if we have a triangle, a right angle triangle on screen, which I am drawing for you now, we want to use this theorem to calculate the hypotenuse, which is on screen now. So we will be told the size, the length of one side, two side, but the third hypotenuse is what we are trying to calculate. Well, in order to solve this triangle, let's now write down by Pythagoras theorem. And so bring into frame the formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So we know this, and now we can use this to tag the triangle itself. A, B, C. Must not forget that this in fact is a right angle triangle. And so let's say A is 3 and B is 4. Those are the only two things we know. We also know this is 90 degrees. And so to calculate C, let's now bring all the numbers and replace the numbers with the letters, or the letters with the numbers. And so we know A is 3. So 3 squared plus 4 squared equals C squared. 3 squared is 9 plus 4 squared, which is 16, equals c squared. 9 plus 16 is in fact 25, which equals c squared. Let's now rearrange this as c squared equals 25 square root of both sides. So c, or we can do square root of both sides, c equals square root 25. And then c equals 5. So we have now used Pythagoras theorem to calculate the hypotenuse. And this, in fact, is the most famous example because this is called a Pythagorean triple. 3, 4 will always give us 5. If we have other numbers, they will not always be the same. We will always have to use this theorem to calculate hypotenuse. We can also use this theorem to calculate if we have, let's say 3, we have the length of the hypotenuse. It would be the same formula, just rearrange in order to find, let's say B. If we have C and A, we can use all the numbers to calculate B. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.